In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to monetize a Beehiiv newsletter. Whether you're just starting or looking to improve your income stream, monetizing your newsletter effectively can be a game changer for your digital presence. So let's dive right in and explore the various ways you can turn your passion into profit using Beehiiv. First, let's talk about paid newsletter subscriptions, a core feature of Beehiiv's monetization options. This is particularly suitable if you're offering curated information such as industry insights, investing tips, exclusive content, or educational materials. To get started, open Beehiiv and navigate to the monetization section. Here, you'll need to connect your Stripe account, which is essential for processing payments. Once that's done, create your pricing plans. Typically, these plans are broken down into monthly and annual subscriptions. Now, a common question is what to charge. Well, it really depends on your audience and the value you provide. For a consumer-focused newsletter, the usual price ranges from $5 to $10 per month. However, if you're catering to a professional or B2B audience, you could charge anywhere from $15 to $99 monthly. And for those offering specialized industry research, it's not uncommon to see prices exceed $100 per month. Once your pricing is set, you can designate certain posts as premium only, encouraging signups from readers eager for more exclusive content. Next, let's explore using Beehiiv's ad network, an inbuilt ad marketplace that can significantly boost your revenue. To leverage this tool, start by growing your subscriber base. Engaged subscribers are key to attracting advertisers. Once you have a substantial following, enable the ad network. From there, you'll receive sponsor offers directly through the platform, and you can place these ads within your emails. This strategy tends to become even more profitable as your audience engagement improves over time. Moving on, we have the option to sell sponsorships directly. This is a route you might consider if you prefer controlling who advertises on your platform rather than relying solely on Beehiiv's ad network. There are various placements you can offer sponsors, from header sponsors at the top of your newsletter to mid-newsletter ads or even dedicated email blasts. You might also include subtle product mentions woven into your content. Remember, when setting your pricing, many factors come into play. Consider your subscriber count, open rates, click-through rates, and the qualitative appeal of your niche. Generally, business-focused audiences tend to be more lucrative, so understand your demographic to price your sponsorship opportunities appropriately. Each of these methods offers unique advantages, and choosing the right strategy should align with your newsletter's niche, your audience size, and the type of content you produce. Whether you opt for subscriptions, ads, or sponsorships, or a creative mix of all three, you'll set your Beehiiv newsletter on a profitable path. Thanks for tuning in, and happy monetizing.